Hello everyone, welcome to another video lesson. So in this video, we will discuss about the probability of simple event. So when we say probability of simple event, it is an event with a single outcome and it can be calculated by dividing the number of favorable outcomes and by the number of all possible outcomes. So that will be our formula in probability of simple events. So for example, we have number one, if a die is rolled, what is the probability that the number is, letter A, greater than 3? So, in probability of simple event or in probability, actually, we will use our critical thinking here and of course our logical reasoning and analogy. So, kailangan natin i-analyze ng maayos, intindihin ng maayos. Yes, we should understand the question because if we cannot, hindi natin basta-basta masasagutan yung problem na meron tayo. So, number one, again, if a die is rolled, what is the probability that the number is greater than 3 for letter A? Now, ang gagawin natin, di ba sa dice, meron tayong 6 faces. Then, dun sa 6 faces na yon, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, tingnan natin itong 3. So, ang gagawin natin sa question, greater than 3 daw. So, we have here 4, 5, 6 na greater sa 3. So, ibig sabihin, bibilangin lang natin kung ilang numbers yung greater kay 3. So, that is 3. So, that is our favorable or the number of favorable outcomes. So, we have the P of E is equal to 3 over the total number of possible or the all possible outcomes, meron tayong 6. So that is 6. Or we will just simplify 1/2. Okay, so both are divisible by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So our answer is 1/2. Right? Next problem. So, what is the probability that the number is a prime number? So again, pag sinabi nating prime number, a prime number has only two factors, which is the 1 and the number itself. Okay? Or in other words, or in simple words, ang factor lang daw ng prime number ay walang iba kundi 1 at yung sarili niya lang. Halimbawa, dito sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, tingnan natin. Isa-isayin natin. We have 1 times 1, that is equal to 1. So, 1 and the number itself lang yung factor niya. How about 2? Same lang din, 1 and the number itself lang yung factor niya. Even the 3, 1 times 3, yun lang yung factor niya. Pero yung 4, hindi pwede. Kasi ang factor ng 4 ay tatlo na. We have 1, 2, and 4. So, ibig sabihin, X na siya. Kasi nga, sa prime number, dalawa lang yung factor niya. The 1 and the number itself. How about 5? We have 1 times 5, that is equal to 5. So that is also a prime number. Pero yung 6, hindi rin kasi meron tayong 1, 2, 3, and 6 na factors ng 6. So, ibig sabihin, hindi rin siya prime number. So, bilangin lang natin lahat ng prime number na nakita natin or nahanap natin. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we have 4 over 6 or they have a common factor of 2. So, we will divide both sides by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, the answer is 2/3. Next, what is the probability of getting odd number? Okay? So, titingnan lang natin yung mga odd numbers dito sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that is 1, 3, and 5. So, we also have 3 here over 6 or 1/2. Right? Next, we have what is the probability that it is 3? So ito lang, titingnan lang natin ito. Then, yun na po yung magiging sagot natin. Since isa lang naman yung 3 sa dice, 1 lang po siya over 6. And that is our answer. Next, there are 7 green, 5 pink, 10 violet, and 4 red balls in a box. A ball was picked at random. What is the probability that it is a red? Okay? So, ang una natin gagawin, i-enumerate muna natin lahat ng number. We have 7 green, 5 pink, 10 violet, and 4 red balls. So, i-add lang natin lahat. I-sum up lang natin. So, we have 7 plus 5 plus 10 plus 4 that is equal to 26 balls. Ayan, meron tayong 26 balls. Now, ang question, what is the probability that it is red? So, ang titingnan lang natin, ilan ba yung red? So, we have 4 red balls. So, yun na yung magiging favorable outcome natin. And we will just write the number of all possible outcomes, which is 26. And divide lang natin siya both sides kung ano yung common factor niya, which is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 26 divided by 2 is 13. And that is our answer. Next, pink. Okay, what is the probability that it is pink? Tingnan lang natin kung ilan yung pink. So we have 5 pink balls. So we have 5 over 26. And that is our answer. Letter C, what is the probability that it is not green? Okay? So since ang question not green, ang kailangan nating i-consider is itong lahat ng ball na hindi kulay green. So we have 5 pink, 10 violet, and 4 red balls. So we have 5 plus 10 plus 4, that is 19. Okay? Then same lang for the number of all possible outcomes, 26. So we have 19 over 26. And that is our final answer. Why? They have no common factors. Next, what is the probability that it is not violet? Same process, not violet. So, ang i-consider lang natin ay yung 7 green, 5 pink balls, and 4 red balls. So, we have 7 plus 5 plus 6, plus 4, that is 16 over 26. And divide natin both sides by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And 26 divided by 2 is 13. So that is our final answer. Alright, so next problem. A survey was conducted to determine students' favorite brand of sneakers, and each student chose only one brand from the list of brands A, B, C, D, or E. Now, the question is, what is the probability that a student's favorite sneakers or sneaker is brand B? Okay, so ang i-consider lang po natin is brand B. So, since brand B daw, titingnan lang natin kung ilan yung brand B natin. Okay, so we have P of E is equal to 15. So, since yung brand B ay merong 15. Okay, 15. Next, ang gagawin po natin for the number of all possible outcome is we will just sum or i-add natin lahat ng number of students na may favorite sa sneaker. So we have 12 plus 15 plus 24 plus 26 plus 13, that is equal to 90 students. Okay? So we have 90 here. Then we will just simplify 15 over 90. They have both common factor na 15. So 15 divided by 15 is 1. Then 90 divided by 15 is equal to 6. So the probability of that a student's favorite sneaker is brand B is 1 over 6. And that is it for our discussion for this video lesson about probability of simple event. Okay, so always remember that God is good all the time. Ingat kayong lahat and I hope you learned something from our video lesson. Bye-bye everyone and God bless.